Alright, I'm up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. I got a 1969 GMC 3500 Dually truck. Thing's pretty cool. Automatic bucket seats. It's got a Dayco Correct 1969 327. Got the flatbed on it. What I like to do is my walk-arounds. I'll point out any kind of flaws I can find and show them to you. That way when you show up here to look at the truck, you're not surprised by anything. I do my best on these walk-arounds. If you have any questions, you can comment below or give us a call. 615-822-4444. I'm going to be getting to a lot of vehicles today. I post cars every single day. So let's get started. To me, it looks like they bumped something on this bumper right here. Trim's got a little bit of surface rust popping up. Big tow mirrors on it. Some side steps they added. Some paint bubbles popping up on the bottom of the door. As far as the bed goes, very heavy duty. Got some wood paneling run down the side. You can turn it either way you want. Tow package. I haven't actually looked in this yet. Oh, there we go. Get your receiver. Looks like new pipes down in there. Tires are in good shape. Wheels look pretty good. Same little bubbles on the driver's side. Got some paint chips right here, fender. One thing I did notice, missing a center cap over here. The rest of the truck's got all its center caps, but that one. Spots in the paint there. Go ahead and pop the hood up. power steering. Engine bay looks pretty clean. Truck runs pretty good since we pulled it up. I'm getting ready to go on a test drive though, and let y'all know how it runs and drives down the road. It was easy to start back there, so. Like I said, it's a date code 1969 327. There's a little spot right behind the door here. A little bit of surface rust popping up through there. Did have some bubbling on the other side. That may be an issue eventually. Carpet's a bit faded, still looks okay though. Bucket seats look good. They're not all ripped up. We got a winner. The horn works. Dash pad's in good shape. There is a little crack right here. $86,000 on the dash. Looks like our RPM gauge is not working. Oil pressure gauge is working, it's coming up. It could be about out of gas. We're going to go on a test drive and put some in it to check. Nobody ever leaves us with gas though. Alright. We'll say no radio. Blower motor's not even working on the air. Got a good sound to it. Nice quiet motor. Alright. Well, I hope you enjoyed my video. I'm going to get to the test drive and get to some other vehicles today. I appreciate you watching. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I post every single day. You can comment below. I'll try to get back with you. Also, give us a call, 615-822-4444. I'll be happy to help you. I'd like you to check out my website if you're interested in any of our cars or just want to see our inventory. That's MapleMotors.com. You can hop on there, click on one of the cars that we have, go to detailed pictures and see inside, out, and underneath about 100 detailed pictures. And if you're interested, refer to my test drive videos, my walk-arounds. You'll know exactly what you're coming to look at. I appreciate you watching, and thanks again, guys.